Subtraction. Subtracting one-digit numbers from three-digit numbers without regrouping. Let us subtract 4 from 758. Write the given numbers in the respective columns. Step 1. Subtract the ones. 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 4 ones. Write 4 under the ones column. Step 2. Subtract the tens. There is nothing to be subtracted in the tens and the hundreds column. Write 5 in the tens column and 7 in the hundreds column. Thus, 758 minus 4 is equal to 754. Subtracting one-digit numbers from three-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us subtract 8 from 517. Write the given numbers in the respective columns. Step 1. Since we cannot subtract 8 ones from 7 ones, borrow 1 10 from the tens column. Now, 1 10 plus 7 ones is equal to 17 ones. Now, subtract 8 ones from 17 ones. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Write 9 under the ones column. Step 2. After borrowing, we are left with 0 tens and nothing to be subtracted in the tens and hundreds column. So, write 0 in the tens column and 5 in the hundreds column. Thus, 517 minus 8 is equal to 509.